Okay, so the star that we are trying to determine whether it can be observed is the Sirius star. And Sirius is the brightest star that can be observed during is the brightest star can be observed from our skies, and it's the brightest star of the Canis Major constellation. And the Sirius star has a declination of negative 16 degrees 42 minutes and 58 seconds, while the location which I chose, which is Australia, has a latitude of around 25 degrees south. So the declination of Sirius means that it's going to be 16 degrees to the south of the equator, which is why the chosen location, which is Australia, might be a good place to observe the star. So therefore, we are using the Stellarium software to see whether the star can be observed, and the location is set at the Australian Astronomical Observatory, and the time is set at the month of May of 2021 and around the early dates of the month. And we start at the time of around 9 o'clock in the morning. And if we look for the Sirius star, we could see that. Can we see it? Yeah, we could see that it has just risen past the horizon. It rises from the east, and therefore it's going to set on the west. And so we could see that it has just risen, but it cannot be observed by naked eye right now because it's still daytime. Therefore, if we play the simulation and fast forward it, we could see that at around we could see that at around 6 p.m. Sirius becomes visible to the naked eye, and therefore it sets in the west at around should be around 10 p.m. Yeah, it sets around 10 p.m. Therefore the Sirius star can be observed in Australia at the time of around in the evening of the day at around 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you.